bacon wrapped smoked jalapeno poppers. This is flavor on so many levels. Simple barbecue that's going to impress anybody you invite over to your backyard. But you guys know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. And I'm telling you, these bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers were deadly, bud. Seriously, super simple to throw together. The perfect little appetizer or snack. If you have people over just hanging out, I'm telling you, you throw these together, people are going to be hooting and hollering. Make sure you hit those buttons, like and subscribe. You guys know what's up. Let's get into this. So I took half a block of cream cheese, some garlic and some onion that I diced up, and some Ted Reader's steak bone dust. You can see here I'm just liberally kind of dumping some into my hand and pouring it all over. You want to add a bunch of whatever seasoning you're going to go with here, along with some shredded cheese. Now, honestly, guys, I'm measuring with my heart for this recipe. Like, I don't have exact ingredients, but long story short, you just want it to kind of look like this. Everything incorporated into that cream cheese. We got that seasoning you can see in there, the cheesy goodness, the little bit of onion and garlic. And you want to pack it into the jalapenos just like this. It's called canoeing them. You slice off just a small section of it, and then you can just stuff it full. Holy guacamole, guys. You really want to pack that in there. As you can see, it's really stuffed full. This is looking glorious. Now, if you are already subscribed, you might have seen that I recently made homemade bacon, and I cut it nice and thick for these bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. As you can see, I'm just wrapping them all in bacon, throwing a simple little toothpick through, and then hitting them with just a little more of that steak spice to season up the bacon just a little bit further. Now, I have them on the Traeger Woodridge Pro, and I'm running this at about 300 degrees. I consider that low and slow in this case, but it's all about rendering down that bacon. It's going to take a little bit, probably about an hour and a half. So here it is at about 45 minutes. We just want to make sure if that creamy goodness is going to melt out. You can see I've got the tin foil right below, and that's going to let me kind of just catch anything that drips down, whether it's that cream cheese or juicy grease from that bacon. Whatever's dripping, it's just not going to get onto my smoker. Now, I'm just going to be patient. This is about the 1 hour mark, and that bacon is looking delicious. It's not crispy yet, but it's definitely getting nice and cooked through. So once it's basically to your liking, if you like extra crispy bacon, just wait another 30 minutes or so. But grab some barbecue sauce, and we're going to layer on our first layer. I'm going to go with 2 layers total, but you can go up to 3 if you really, really, really like sauce. It's up to you, though. As you can see here, just simply layer it on nice and clean. Try not to like glob it on there. That can be a bit unsettling when you leave it on the smoker. It can totally catch that smokiness and make it a little bit bitter. But guys, this looks spectacular. And it doesn't matter what sauce you're going to use here. Any sauce will do perfectly fine, but I am using Ted Reader's no sugar added barbecue sauce. This stuff is really straightforward, super tasty, and at the end of the day, it's a little bit more healthier than the other options. So, as you can see here, pulled it off once it got that nice sticky, icky, ooey gooey deliciousness. And bud, these were spectacular. That bacon was to die for. Wrapped around that nice little spicy crunch from the jalapeno and that delicious ooey gooey center. Man, oh man, talk about layers of flavor. Just look at this little guy. Seriously, scrumptious and delicious. Look, if you're still here watching my recipe videos, it means so much to me. I'm always out here cooking up a storm, having a blast, just trying to expand my skill set in the kitchen and in the backyard on the barbecue. So again, thank you so much. And if you're not already part of my community, well, now's your chance. Hit those buttons, like and subscribe. Join the rest of us. We're just having a blast out here on the barbecue. As you can see, these bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers were a 10 out of 10. I wouldn't change a thing. And bud, I'm letting you know, you will be thrilled with the flavor that you just produced on that pellet smoker. Seriously, guys, I'm having too much fun with this. Thanks again for watching. Seriously means the world to me. I hope you're having a great day. Make sure you stay safe. take care of yourself, and until next time, I can't wait until we chat again.